Hi, John Kubica here, and in this video I will talk about the ultimate upsell, that you can use with literally every product in the world and it costs you nothing, I mean like literally nothing, and you can use it with everything, okay? Doesn't matter if you sell like pink lipsticks or bags of potatoes, okay? You can still use it, okay? So let's just go to it. But first, if you are a typical e-commerce store and you would like to scale your ads, or you are looking for agency, that will take over all Facebook advertising, then definitely go on our website adferation.com and schedule a free, demo call with me, and where we can discuss more about your business and how we can help you. Basically, we are Facebook advertising agency that literally like focus only on e-commerce and work only with e-commerce, okay? And we are also 8-figure e-commerce owners, so you are literally like scaled and work with people who have their own skin in the game, okay? So if that sounds interesting to you, definitely go at adferation.com and schedule a free scaling call, or even like scroll there like a little bit down and there's like a case study, so you can check it as well. Upsells are awesome, you know that, I know that, but tons of people don't have upsells because I don't know, maybe they think it's like complicated to create one, or maybe it's like too much hassle, or maybe they are just lazy. Because, well, I met a lot of business owners, who don't really like go that extra inch, and probably like using upsell is that extra inch. This is upsell that we use in our own, all 8-figure stores. Every store that we have, every product that we run have this upsell. Also, I recommended it recently like to tons of my clients that we manage their ads with our Facebook advertising agency, Adferation, and they are also like using it now. This is something that everybody can really like use. It costs nothing because there's like no production price, no shipping, nothing. It's just a service, and it's like so small that everybody buys it. And I'm of course talking about the immediate replacement upsell. So this is upsell that you will put after checkout, right? So you are basically not putting in a danger that purchase process, right? Because what you don't want to do is to mess with people when they are going, towards the checkout. Because if you are throwing on them like trash, like wheels of fortune, all that crap, then it's possible that you will turn people, you will like hit them in their like thoughts, and they will just not finish that checkout. But if you will use this upsell as like a post-purchase, that immediate replacement, it has like a huge success rate, and basically this upsell is great because of 2 reasons. Well, first, if you are like typical dropshipper or even like typical e-commerce owner, most of the time when somebody will get your product, like client, they will, for example, let's say they purchased, I don't know, like phone, okay, and well, they receive that phone, they open the box, and there is like something missing, or the box was crashed, or that phone is crashed, and you will just tell them, okay, we'll just immediately send you, new thing, like a new product, like instantly. So you do it for free, you are, for example, receiving a message about like a refund or something, or that product didn't, like get there, because it was like lost on the way. Again, you will just send them a new product and you will not even think, that you will get it back probably. And again, you will do it for free. But if you will sell them as post-purchase upsell, that immediate replacement, they will buy it just to be sure that if one of these things that I just mentioned will happen, that store will save them, but you will save them anyway, okay? So you are anyway doing that immediate replacement service for free, and now you can legally charge them for it. That immediate product replacement is awesome because first, it's super cheap. I use always $4.90 because it's less than 5, and when it's like less than 5, people are like, oh, it's like nothing, it's called like Starbucks, so it's just super cheap, and it's like a peace in their mind. So I found out that it works probably best, with products that I'm selling for like 40, sometimes like 20 and 25, but 40 and up, it's like tons of people buy it. But for example, I have a product that I sell for 70, and with like some other upsells that are necessary for the product is like 100. And with that product, I see that like half of people who buy that product buy that upsell as well. So more expensive it is, more people buy it, right? So it's like a crazy, that people don't use it, because if you think about it, if you make like 100 orders, and 20% of people, which is like normal conversion rate, you know, like in my stores, this upsell is 20% of checkout. If you have like 100 orders and 20 people buy that upsell, it's like almost $100 extra profit per day for something that you are already doing, okay? That's like $3,000 per month of pure profit for service that you are doing for free already, you know, for years. And well, when I started like using this upsell, I really like think like I'm such like idiot, because it took me like so many years, you know, to just use this kind of like upsell, because it's like a super small tiny profit, but it's still, you know, like it's profit, you know, and people buy it for to keep their mind calm, you know. Like if you sell something for $40-50, there is like a huge chance they will throw there that $5 upsell, because it's nothing, you know. They don't even need to think about it. It's like, fuck, it's like coffee, you know, like just throw it there. They will replace it, you know, like fast. I mean, you will replace it anyway fast, you know. So that's why it's like crazy, and they will be happy to pay for it. So yeah, I'm using this upsell everywhere. You can, doesn't matter what you sell. You can sell like clothes. You can sell like jewelry. Doesn't matter if you sell like some things for like makeup, or I don't know, like you sell things for cars. Doesn't matter, okay? Like if you look at every store in the world, like tons of these, like they are like higher level. They have like million of like upsell services, you know, that literally will never be used, but people still buy them, you know. Especially these like that will really like insure, you know, their like delivery or something, you know. Easiest way how to do this upsell, you know, how to create it, is that, well, you need to have Shopify store, right? Or Commerce HQ. That I use right now mostly Shopify stores. So Shopify store, and that one-click upsell, right, from like Zipify. So with that, you can just literally like connect it, you know, and start using this post-purchase upsells, right? So you can put it on thank you page, or you can put it just as like that post-purchase. So once people will like pay, you know, for that order, they will immediately get notification about, you know, like some other thing. And also, because I'm using also SMS, you know, like a service, you know, for retargeting, I am now sending that post-purchase upsell also to people who didn't buy it, you know, when they seen it after the checkout. So we also like trying to upsell them with that upsell in SMS, you know. So that's also cool. So definitely use SMS as well. And yeah, so like I said, it's like a super small upsell, you know, but it's upsell that you don't even need to think about, you know, having, because it's like there is like no downside for this, because you don't need to think about stock, you don't need to think about like some delivery. It's just like a service that is literally like in the air, okay? It doesn't exist, you know. I mean, you are anyway doing all this work for customers, so now you are getting paid for it, you know, which is like awesome. So definitely like think about it, and I strongly suggest to, you know, like apply this upsell, because it's like awesome, you know, and it's like free money, so why not take them, okay? So thank you very much for watching my video. Definitely don't forget to subscribe, and if you are still not in Adferation Facebook advertising group, then definitely, you know, like join it. It's like almost 1,000 people already there, so definitely join that. Also, and if you recently, you know, lost your ad account, or, you know, got your advertising access restricted, definitely download my free book, Facebook Advanced Survival Guide. You know, I wrote it to get you out of that Facebook circle of hell, you know. It already was like downloaded by like thousands of people, okay? So I probably like saved thousands of lives, you know. So definitely download that book. It's like completely free, and I will see you in next video. Bye for now.